Today, we have a very unique comparison planned utilizing Claude's Opus 4.6 model. I'm going to be using an OpenClaw AI agent versus the Claude code CLI out of a ghosty terminal. So I am honestly shocked by this. Without squirrel ado, let's build. All right, here's the prompt for today. You are a PRD fiend and always prep one before making a web app. I'd like to build a web app that allows me to preview and create design skills. So in theory, we have a set foundation in place: dashboard, homepage, landing page, etc., displaying all the modules and features possible of any given skill. Then at the very top, we have an option to design a new front-end design skill, import a skill MD, or paste a link to fetch the skill from a Git or web page. When the user first loads the web app, it's a simple chat box with pill tag options to choose from. But after the initial load, that turns into a nav header to easily swap between skill previews or generate new skill previews. And we're going to be building this using Anthropic's front-end design skills. So I'm going to copy that prompt over there and I'm going to paste it in here, add another line, set up preview on port 9001 once it's ready, and ping me. And I'm going to paste that same prompt in there. And I'm going to say set up preview on port 9002 once it's ready. And we're going to give Claude Code CLI the upper hand by a split second. So we're going to start that prompt there, and then we're going to start that prompt there. Now, as this is starting, what are we testing on today? Well, we're going to test speed, which isn't the most relevant metric, but it's one thing I want to test. We're going to test quality of output and then functionality. Those are going to be the three main criteria for our comparison today. It looks like Claude Code finished a few minutes after OpenClaw. Here's the final outputs though. Interesting. Let's do a hard refresh on both. Interesting. I'm going to be honest. I'm leaning towards Claude Code's output more. I love the simplicity of OpenClaws, don't get me wrong. However, from a UX perspective, I see the title, I see the purpose, I get an option to fill out what I want. Or I get the option to view dashboard, landing, SAS, import, or fetch a URL. Okay, interesting. Let's test out OpenClaws first. So what's interesting is it does have a browse skills feature, which is very interesting. Okay, we see all the cards, we see the heading, we see buttons, confirmed action, warnings. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. But it looks like it's using all of, okay. This is Anthropic's design here. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Huh. What if we wanted to import a skill? So I've downloaded this skill called Ant Skill. It had a lot of upvotes and forks on Git. So let's go ahead and import and preview. I feel like that looks exactly like, almost like ours. Wow. Yeah, this is almost identical, but the functionality is here. The functionality is here. Very, very cool. Okay. Very cool. Now, let's go ahead and test Claude Code CLI's output, shall we? Design the skill you want to create. I don't want to test that yet. I want to first test what a dashboard, or let's say SAS app, looks like. Ooh, interesting. It missed the beat. I wanted a preview of what that design skill would look like with all of the components, and I thought I was clear enough. I was clear enough for OpenClaw, but I wasn't clear enough for Claude Code. And this is where, you know, I really want to take a pause in this comparison and put an emphasis on when you're planning, when you're going through that plan mode and you're planning a PRD and you're going back and forth with Claude Code and the CLI, you really, really have to not take the first thing it gives you. My error here is I took the first thing it gave us. I just wanted it to build it. I was testing speed. So this could be user error, but at the same time, I was very clear in the prompt that I wanted a preview of different design skills, right? So, but it nailed the home page. I prefer the home page. Now let's try to import our skill. Okay. No modules found in this skill definition. Yeah. It missed the beat. It missed the beat. Wow. 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 I'd like to create a monochrome front-end design skill using modules from Kibo. Let's say shade CN. Yeah, it missed the beat. Listen, wow. I did not expect this to happen. Now, what would I do in this case, right? Like, I mean, obviously, OpenClaw finished speed. My first impressions of Claude code was way better. I loved that landing page, but it missed the beat on giving me a preview of what that skill would look like with all of the modules, with different, looks from SaaS modules to dashboard modules to just overall homepage, landing page functionality. To me, it's clear that OpenClaw nailed it. I am honestly shocked by this. I'm very, very shocked by this. Yeah. So, I mean, this is the clear winner. OpenClaw was the clear winner in this case. Now, before you get angry in the comments, yes, I could have done a better job at preparing that PRD. I could have done a better job at actually starting in plan mode and going back and forth, but that was not the purpose of this demonstration. The purpose of this demonstration was to show you the power of AI agents. I honestly thought Claude Code was going to win, right? I knew OpenClaw would win by speed, but I thought Claude Code would have won by quality of output, but it just missed the assignment altogether. So, don't take this comparison as you should use OpenClaw AI agents over Claude Code in the CLI. That is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is don't sleep on OpenClaw's AI agent. Install one for yourself. It's worth the testing. It's worth the experimentation. Yeah, at the very least, you're going to learn a new skill set. You're going to learn how AI agents work. So I hope you found some value in today's comparison. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters. I'm shocked. I am still shocked. I love